Hey Sophie, what does Mario use when he goes shopping?
I don't know.
A Mario Kart. Hi, my name is Finn.
And I'm Sophie.
And today we're going to be drawing Kirby. So we're going to use our black and our dark pink and our light pink and our red. And now let's get started. So first we're gonna draw a circle right in the middle of the paper, and then we're gonna draw two U's and then after that, then we're gonna draw two arms and then we're gonna draw two ovals then two curved U's inside then we're gonna color that in, and then we're gonna make two ovals right here and then we're gonna draw one right here and then we're gonna make a curve right there, and then we're done with our black, and then we'll get our red, and then we're gonna color his shoes in red. And then we're gonna color his cheeks in dark pink. And then we're gonna color the arms in the circle. And then after that, then we're gonna make upside down right there. And then we're gonna color the top in black. And then we're gonna color the rest on the bottom red. So there we have Kirby, and thanks for drawing, and bye guys. Bye guys.